Using the given data and accompanying figure, answer the following questions. Yung hinahanap lang dito sa problem na to, sa situation, is yung minimum B. So una is based on spacing and concrete cover requirements according to NSCP. Ito yung my code, yung pier spacing between the longitudinal bars. Then, binigay yung clear cover, so 40 mm. Ang gagawin na natin, i-add lang natin yung dimension and that will give us the minimum B. So, yung code dito sa X, that is the largest of bar diameter used, 25 mm, or 4/3 of the coarse aggregate. Pinakamalaki. Yung bar diameter na ginamit is 28 mm or 25 mm. Then, 4/3 the diameter of the coarse aggregate at 20 mm. Yung pinakamalaki sa tatlo is 28. So again, i-add lang natin lahat ng dimension. Yung minimum B, based on this, that will be dalawang 40, dalawang clear cover, dalawang stirrups diameter, or tie diameter, 2 times 12, then 4 na diameter ng main bar, 4 na 28, then tatlong X pier spacing. So, answer is 300 mm. Very simple. Next question. Factor shear BU given. So, we have here 4 legs of stirrups spaced at 160 mm. So, 4 daw na stirrup, bale may cross ties yan. May cross ties tayo. This is the shear force BU at the critical section. The spacing given there is spacing between the lateral ties. Unang-una, kailangan natin ng effective depth. Ito tawagin kong D'. Kunin na lang natin yung D'. So, D' is 40 plus the tie diameter. Then, punta tayo dito sa gitna. Plus kalahati ng bar diameter na 28. Punta pa tayo sa gitna plus kalahati ng 60. So, that is the D'. So, yung D natin is the sum of this minus D', minus 96. You have here 504 mm. Okay, dadaan tayo sa shear strength provided by stirrup. Ito yung formula. So, AB natin, 4 na ties yung kokontra sa VU. So, 4 na area ng ties. 12 mm yung diameter natin. FYH 275, effective depth 504. The spacing is 160. So, ito yung ating BS in newtons. From BS, kukunin kasi natin si VC. Yung VC is a function of BW. So, dito natin yan kukunin. Criterion is that the factor shear strength shall not exceed the design shear strength. Yung Vn is PC plus PS. So, VU is 480,000 newtons. Reduction factor for shear is 0.75, that is given. Then, VC unknown, VS in newtons, that one. So, makuha natin greater or equal, or we can call that one as the minimum required shear strength of concrete. And take note, may formula tayo for BC. So, equate natin yan dito. Unknown si BW. BW natin dyan is to B. So, lambda is just 1. Effective depth is 504. Then, makuha natin minimum required B. Of course, we will choose the nearest rounded up value, 550 mm. Okay? Next question. The same question, pero dito, 2 legs nila. Tinanggal natin yung cross ties, then 70 mm yung spacing ng stirrups. Same procedure. Una dito, kunin natin si DS, but this time, 2 bars na lang. 70 din yung ating spacing. This is the DS. Again, the same procedure. VU shall not exceed 3 VN, where VN is VC plus PS. So, VU is 480,000 newtons. V is 0.75. PC unknown. PS is this one. So, minimum required VC, ito siya. And formula tayo for VC, dapat mas malaki siya dito. Abay, substitute, you have here lambda 1, FC prime is 28 given yan, PW unknown, effective depth is 504. Equate that one here, mapupuha natin minimum required B, 425 millimeters.